Hi, welcome to Event Management System video presentation for WINSTEM 2025. We are pleased to introduce the dedicated team behind the Event Management System. Leading the project as supervisor, Mr. Muhammad Amin bin Atan. Serving as the project leader, Muhammad Nasrul Amin bin Nasir. He is supported by Muhammad Farid Hadi bin Muhammad Fauzi and Ahmad Taufiq bin Ahmad Edi Sufyan. EMaS is a platform specially designed to simplify and enhance the management and implementation of events at the college level. The name EMaS stands for Event Management System. With EMaS, management is empowered to plan, organize, and monitor every activity more systematically and efficiently. All event-related processes can be carried out automatically, ensuring the smooth flow and success of every event organized. The current manual approach to event management is inefficient, causing registration and attendance processes to take a long time and require many staff. It also brings risks such as data errors, spelling mistakes, loss of information, and difficulty in handling a large number of participants. During registration, long queues often form, creating congestion and disrupting the smooth flow of the event. In addition, the use of paper is not environmentally friendly, increases costs, and negatively impacts the environment. The objective of EMaS is to replace manual methods with an automated system, making event monitoring and execution faster and more organized. All participant information is stored in one centralized platform, reducing the risk of errors and confusion in data management. Participants are also able to register and update their own information online, saving both time and effort for the management team. The system is designed to automate event management, replacing manual methods and speeding up monitoring. It provides a centralized platform for easy storage, updates, and access to participant information. Participants can also register and update their information online, reducing workload and minimizing the risk of data loss. EMaS has delivered several key benefits. First, improved accuracy. It has reduced spelling errors in participant names and simplified the registration. Second, sustainability. The system contributes positively to the environment by drastically reducing paper usage. And third, flexibility. With the ability to store and access records from anywhere, EMaS has made data management and more flexible and efficient. To further enhance the system's capabilities, several future functions are planned for the next development phase. First, the Smart Agenda, a feature that will automatically create event schedule and prevent time overlaps. Second, AI Feedback, an intelligent tool that will analyze participant feedback, helping organizers understand what people enjoy and where improvement can be made. And third, AI face scanning, providing a modern method of marking attendance without the need to show a QR code. In conclusion, EMaS enables efficient and organized management of participant information, replacing outdated and error-prone manual methods. It improves time efficiency, reduces errors, and streamlines monitoring and reporting, ensuring the smooth and successful organization of every event. Thank you for watching this video.